everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here. How are you today? It's Tuesday, so happy Tuesday to you. I am still working from home. We are in quarantine. Yeah, so no car. That's okay. It'll just be like Tuesday talk. I don't know. We don't need to come up with a cute name for it because it's not likely to continue much longer. I should be back to work this time next week, so fingers crossed. I am still working from home though. My workplace is right over there at the dining room table, and my son's workplace is right over there, and my husband's workplace is in the other room. It's very interesting how you figure out where your spot is, right? So I have some acquisitions to show you and some progress to show you. Guys, the giant hexie. Oh, it's huge. It's huge. And it's not quite done yet, which is why I have this piece of yarn that's really tangling up. Tangling up. Anyway, I wanted to show you the progress. I can actually do that because I'm not in the car. I couldn't do this in the car, but it's really big. It is so cozy though. Like, because it's got this weird like fold in the middle, it makes it, excuse me, it makes it like three-dimensional. So you can really like wrap it up over your shoulders. So nice. I like that. And I'm finishing it off with this light purple color I have. Let me see if I can find the cake. Here it is. This is all that's left of this cake. But I've got at least one more great big one of this. So I should be able to get 2 or maybe 3 stripes out of this color. And then I'm gonna tie off and be done with this free blanket. I call them free blankets when they're made of scraps. And I don't think I even paid for most of these scraps. They were like gifted to me. So that's exciting, right? And it's very hard to fold a hexagon, so I'm not even gonna try right now to fold that. Okay, so acquisitions. I do have a few. Here's my bag of tricks. Isn't that a pretty bag from Joann's? They have the prettiest bags. Joann's. So, have you ever tried this stuff? Hold it right side up. Off the hook magic. Now, what it is, it's this, I guess, finger knitting. I don't know. It's like you wrap one loop inside of another loop. And it kind of makes it look like you knitted it. And then, so for these little ones, if you do it in, if you follow the directions and you do the right number of loops, it makes this pattern. So this one makes an ice cream cone. So obviously I haven't done this one yet, but I wanted to try it because on the Yarn Hookers Facebook group, we are doing monthly challenges, which I think is so fun. And this month's challenge is to try something you've never tried before, as long as it's yarn related. So I never tried this before, so I thought, oh, I'll give that a go. So I saw these little ones and I thought that might be fun to do it with something little, because then I'm not kind of tied into a great big blanket project or whatever, not knowing how it would go. And so I did one. I didn't do the ice cream cone. I did this one. And I love the colorway. The colorway is poop emoji, or in Espanol, emoji caca. So I thought that was very funny and very cute, and so I made it. Oh, I thought I had a loose one. I didn't. That's how it's supposed to be. It looked like that was loose, but that's just how it's supposed to be. So there is my emoji caca. Now, what are you supposed to do with this once it's done? I mean, I could see like a blanket, and actually my boss makes she uses this stuff and she makes beautiful scarves. They're really pretty. They don't look anything like this. But I seriously don't know, like, what do I do with this now? Do I, like, cover a cushion with it? Or is it supposed to be, like, a little kid's lovey? I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. I've offered it to my son, but he said no, he doesn't want it. We could call it a Hershey Kiss. We could say it's Hershey Kisses chocolate, right? No? Nobody's gonna fall for that, are they? Okay, so I don't know what to do with my poop emoji. If you have any ideas of what I should do with this, leave me a comment below. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with it, but it was, you know, something fun to try. So that was the first thing in my Joann's bag, and I'm gonna put that away. Let's see, what else do I have in my bag? This was on sale. Red Heart, roll with it. They were on sale 50% off, so these were each, I want to say $2.99. And I got some fun news. We're gonna have 2 new babies in my family. My sister is gonna have a little baby girl, and my nephew and his wife are gonna have a little baby boy. And I think they're both due at the same time, like in May. So, baby stuff, right? Isn't that pretty? I just love that colorway. So this is called Beach House. I love it. Beach House. So I got 3 cakes of Beach House. Look at this. It's funny, it's the same colorway, but I don't know, this one looks like it has more green in it. It's just the way it's woven on the cake though. But this one looks almost more vibrant. But same colorway. I'm pretty sure they're the same lot. Let's see. Same lot. 572. 572. Yep, same dye lot. And yeah, so one more of those. Whoops. One more of those. Okay. So stack those up. Stay. So I got another colorway, which is a bit more vibrant. Same roll with it, tweed. And this one is called Vintage. And I love this. There were so many colorways though, seriously, that I loved. I had a really hard time choosing. I had to move my cart like 2 or 3 times to get out of people's way. So pretty, right? So pretty. Love them. Princess Leia. Okay, so those are so cute. So those I think are going to be baby stuff. I don't know. Let's see how much is on here. 296 yards a cake. And for you metric folks, 271 meters. What should I make? I don't know. I don't know. I've got lots of baby blankets, but I don't know. I want to make baby stuff. Okay, so the last thing, I've started a project. Look at all these cute little bonbons. Keep dropping stuff, guys. I'm kind of clumsy today. So, these are bonbons by Lion Brand. They come in a few different colors. Like they have the brights and the crayons. I think there's a couple more, but I just stuck with these 2. So they're these cute little teeny tiny skeins. I don't know how much is on here. I think like 28 yards. Yeah, there's only 28 yards on them. And they are for a temperature project. Any idea what the temperature project is? I'll give you a clue. Looks like I'm gonna eat them, doesn't it? They're in a bowl and I've got a fork. Any ideas? Well, if you've ever woven anything on a loom, you'll figure it out. I'm weaving a temperature project on my loom. It's going to be very small. It's going to be this cute little tapestry. And every day, based on the temperature, the high temperature of the day, I'm going to do one line of the corresponding color. So the colors are divided up into 7 degrees. So like this color is for 22 to 28 degrees. This is Fahrenheit. So if the high temperature that day was between 22 and 28 degrees Fahrenheit, then this is the color that gets picked. Pretty cool, right? I can't wait to use this one. I can't wait for it to be 78 to 84 degrees. I hope that there's going to be a lot of this color, right? And I hope there's not going to be too much of this color. Am I holding it upside down? Yes. I don't want it to be below 0, but we're still only in January, and February's coming, and those are our cold months. Very cold, but it hasn't been terribly cold yet. So we've been lucky. So those are what I've been up to. What have you been up to? Are you doing a temperature blanket? Are you doing a temperature scarf? Are you doing a temperature anything? It's definitely an exercise and discipline. You have to be disciplined. And for the weaving, because you're only doing one strand per day, it's silly to do it every single day. So I'll probably do it once a week or even once a month, because even 30 rows when you're weaving, it doesn't take very long. So I think it'll be pretty though. I hope it will. Colorful. And I'll just, you know, use it for a little wall hanging, or I don't know, like a coaster or something, depending on how big it is. After a week, it's only this big. So 52 weeks, that times 52, might be too big for a coaster, but I don't know, we'll see. It's just for fun, right? Okay, I think that's all I've got for you. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great week. And I will see you on Thursday. Okay guys, take care, be good, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I almost forgot to tell you something exciting happened for me today. Okay, so I'm a huge Jayda and Stitches fan, like have been for years. I love Jayda and Stitches. I'm a huge fangirl. And I don't usually get to catch her live because I'm usually at work. But when I'm working from home, I can kind of put on a video and just have it running in the background and listen while I'm doing my work, and I'm not disturbing anybody. And so I caught Jayda's live today, and I had a question for her about teaching a virtual crochet class, because I'm going to be doing that for the first time for a local school. Their teachers wanted to do this. So I'm teaching this little course, and I was just looking for some advice if she's ever taught any courses live, and if she had you know, any advice for me. And she answered my question. I was so excited. I was so excited. So thank you, Jayda. I can't believe you answered my question. I'm so excited that you did. And she gave really great advice, lots of good tips for me as I start this little adventure. And it's only a one-time class, so I shouldn't get too nervous about it, but it's a little different to teach a tutorial and not have instant feedback from people, where this one, it sounds like there's going to be instant feedback. Like if they don't understand what I'm saying, they're going to say, "What are you talking about, lady? I can't understand." So that's a little nerve-wracking. So anyway, I'm really excited that, yeah, she answered my question and helped me out. So thanks, Jayda. Okay, gonna go now. Bye.